Okay, so this is my sound and visual interactive system. And as you can see on the presentation mode of Max, when you open the patch, we have three different panels: the keyboard panel, the visual effect, and the JIT world that will appear automatically. So before starting, so there are two software that we are using in this system, the Max MSP and the VB cable, which is a virtual cable that enables us to use the sound signals from the computer to make effects when we make a sound. So before we start using it, we have to press on the microphone here so that we can hear sound. And basically how you play the notes, you just use the keyboard. And so the third row on the keyboard is where you play the keyboard sound, so here. And the thing with this system is that I also wanted to kind of create a keyboard where you can change the sound. So here you have a list of all the voices that you want, and yeah, just choose any one of them. And to activate the JIT world, you press on the visual button here, and there will already be an initial virtual motion which will appear. And so when you play sound, you can see that nothing is happening in the JIT world. That's because we have to activate the effect button here. And so when we play a note, as you can see, there's a sort of disturbance here. And one more thing about the keyboard, you can increase the octave of the keyboard to either you press it here or you press the arrow up and down key to be able to go down an octave or up an octave. And also there's the pitch bend, which is an effect that you can use when you play a note. So here. And here as well in the keyboard panel, we have a drum set, which was already programmed with 4 different drum beats. So the first beat here. So here you can increase the volume of the beat here. And to start it, you press the X button. And as you have noticed, different drum set beat has different virtual effect here. And this panel shows us the different beat also. So if you want to create a new beat set, you have to enter in the edited view mode of the patch. And let's say you want to just create one here, just press clear, and you just click on the various circle that you want to create, and just say, and you can also play the keyboard while the drum beat is playing, and just press clear, press it here to stop it. And one more thing about the visual, so like as you can see, it will stop on the beat that you click previously. So if you want to go to the first virtual effect, you press on the initial button here and just go at the beginning. And we have the button 3D, which basically we just make the shapes in a 3D form, and you can stop it here. And the shape here, you can just change it here wherever you like. Yeah. So, and then, so just a quick view about our patch. So as you can see here, we basically created a keyboard here, and then open it in a new patch and just create a panel to be able to have this visual aesthetic thing. And here the drum set setting here, and this is for the JIT.world everything. And to have this kind of interactive sound disturbance, we created a system here with a JIT.catch. And so why VB cable, so the VB cable software was installed is that because we are using MIDI objects, we had to find a way to kind of get the sound signals from the computer. So that's why we had to install the VV cable, which is compatible with Windows. And we have to make changes in the audio setting here, audio status here, and basically just put input device virtual audio cable, and yeah, and the output device to be the speaker of the computer to be able to hear the sound. Yeah, I think that's all.